Hi, my name is Velden. I'm an IT architect at VDL Groep. We're based in the Netherlands. VDL is a global manufacturer. We operate in high-tech, food tech, mobility, energy and infrastructure, and everything that goes around that. We operate in more than 19 countries. We as a IT business, we operate from a small company within our company that supports our subsidiaries. We have over 110 companies to support. What we do is we make sure that they don't have to worry about a thing like IT. So it's a very wide range of challenges that we face in that area. Right now we have to handle around 1.5 petabyte of data in our environments, which are being used constantly. We have an annual growth of around 10% on that data. What would be the consequences on losing that data? For some companies that can be a really big matter. The moment that they don't have access to that data, their work basically stops. And the production environment as well. They have a lot of impact if we don't provide a secure and safe solution to protect that data. A couple of years ago, we have the possibility to redesign our data center environments, and one of the topics that came up was also selecting a new backup platform. We already had several other backup solutions as well, but one of the biggest problems that we had to face with that is that they weren't as flexible as the way that we wanted to, and it was a lot of different solutions as well. So for us, a very important part was to make sure that we have a solution that brings the flexibility that we look for, and we can put in what kind of environment that we have, even with taking over new companies, that we select a product that always works in what kind of area that we have to work in. Basically, that made Veeam data platform our top choice. Together with the account manager and our technical account manager, we were able to put in the environment that we are running in right now quite quickly. Together with one of our other partners, the accredited service partner, VDL Groep, we were also able to set up an environment that faces and is based on the latest standards and requirements for us as well. We also have to protect our cloud environments as well. So we use our Veeam backup and replication software and Veeam One to make sure that the on-premise environments are safe, but also our Microsoft 365 data using the Veeam backup for Microsoft 365 backup is also protected in that regard, and it just works very well. So I think it's the platform itself that I like the most, seeing how easy it makes us for our operational teams. Obviously, we know that the ransomware is a very rising matter in all kinds of industries. We actually have a department that takes care of that for 24/7. But we also need to make sure that whenever it does go wrong, we have an environment that protects our data. It's very important to have a solution and a platform that supports us in these kinds of matters and that we can rely on. We've been working together with Veeam now for the better part of 6 years now, and it's only getting better. So that's why we like to say, in combination with Veeam and VDL, stronger together.